Hey everyone, Chestnut Mountain Tin Man here. Monday, February the 10th, about 1:38 in the afternoon. We went from a snowy Saturday to a rainy week. Supposed to rain all week apparently. That's why I grabbed out the GoPro in the truck and just wanted to make a brief video, let y'all know that I don't know if we'll get any drone stuff up this week or not, because Mother Nature is watering her plants and trees and flowers and grass and all of that good stuff. Little remnants of snow here and there. It's mostly all gone. I've seen a patch or two here and there, but not very much of it left. It snowed like I like it to snow, and that is only off of the road. None of it stuck anywhere around us. The road stayed pretty good. We had church Sunday morning, and it was just on the lawns and the houses and that type. And that's how I like snow. Not on the roadway. Yeah, dang rain. Things I'd like to do. Fly the drone. I need to go pop some caps, put some film down there, but I still just go stand under the overhang and film some of that during this week. Actually, it's waiting my Glock 27 slide back. I sent it off for RMR cut. I have a Holison 507C green dot ready for it when it gets here. Anxious. I tried the Viper, the Vortex Viper, and I liked it. I just didn't like the 12-hour cutoff. Then the place that I was going to send it to that did Viper cuts emailed me the day I had decided to go with the Holison that they wouldn't be doing Viper cuts for a while. I went, wow, didn't that work out well? So it's been a week and a half. They claim 2.5 to 3 weeks turnaround, so we'll see. We'll see how that goes. I'll stop in the post office here in a second. I had one of my sticker letters returned. Let's figure out what happened there. And we'll probably maybe come back for a couple minutes on the ride home, so we shall be back. Tin Man saying, stay dry if it's raining. All right, my friends, the Tin Man here, back after the gym in the grocery store, and guess what? It's still raining. Supposed to do this all week. I just wanted to give a heads up to all of my subscribers and friends and all of that stuff that it's hard to get drone video with rain, especially after I knocked the front lens out of that covers my 3D sensor, and have not been able to find a replacement. But anyways, it's raining good, raining solid. So, like I said, wanted bring you aboard, let you see a little bit, and if we get a break in it, I'll throw Sparky up. But we need a break for that to happen. We just need a break in general. There's been enough rain come down today for the rest of the week. Stop rain. I just don't like rain. Yuck. Only good thing is it doesn't make me feel bad about not being able to ride. I got 9 days to go until I see the doctor and hopefully get the green light, and found out just a little while ago that it'll probably be raining next week too. I was like, oh, that will not be good. I have to come home and put the damn rain gear on. Makes you upset, but nothing you can do about it. Anyways, if you liked my little rainy truck video, smash that like button. And if you just floated in and you're not a subscriber, please hit my subscribe button. Help my channel grow. It means the world to me. Also hit that bell icon and you will get notified of when my videos come up. Again, thank you. I appreciate it so much for y'all coming aboard with me. And need a periscope just about now. So we will see you on the next one. Stay dry if you're having this where you're at, and if not, get out there and ride. What's Tin Man saying? See ya.